Welcome to Pause Out of the House. In this video I'm going to show you how to fit the front set of KTM Crashpads to a Husqvarna 701SM. However, the principle is exactly the same when fitting them to a KTM SMCR690 or a GASGAS SM700. So here we've got the KTM Crashpad front set with part number underneath. Here's all the parts laid out on the floor, and here's the installation manual. So we have the plastic crash pads, a replacement wheel nut with hole in the middle, 2 Torx head screws and a threaded bar. So looking on the left hand side of the bike, you can see the original wheel nut. You need to replace this with the one provided with the kit. To do this you need a 27mm socket and a wrench, undo turning anti-clockwise and finish off by hand. And just a quick reminder that I'll put links to all the tools and products used in this video in the description section below. Here I'm just wiping a bit of grease from the old nut onto the new nut. Then if you look behind the wheel nut, there's a plastic grease cap. We can now remove that by using a 10mm socket and turning anti-clockwise. So take the new nut, and you can see here that it has a hole inside which will now allow the threaded bar through the middle of the wheel. Place it into the thread and tighten up by hand. Then using your 27mm socket on a torque wrench, set it to 40 Newton meters and tighten up. Now take your crash pads. You'll notice one of them protrudes out in the centre. This will fit into the axle on the right hand side of the wheel. Now taking the shorter of the screws, which is the M6x30, place it through that crash pad and screw it into one end of the threaded bar. Although you can pretty much do this by hand, you can use a T30 Torx bit to nip it up. Now slide the crash pads attached to the threaded bar through the right side of the axle. Then taking the longer M6x40 screw, place it through the remaining crash pad. Put it through the other side of the axle, locate it into the threaded bar, and again we can tighten this up by using a T30 Torx bit and holding onto the crash pad on the other side. I tightened up as far as I could go by hand, but without over tightening, as this could strip the thread. Then one final check round the other side and you're done. If you found this video useful, then please give it a like, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for regular notifications. I've been Pause Out of the House. Ta-ta, farewell.